Dengue is an infection caused by a virus. You can get it if an infected Aedes aegypti mosquito bites you. Dr. Deborah Weir is the acting regional director of the Northeast Regional Health Authority, NERO. According to Dr. Weir, these mosquitoes typically lay eggs in containers that hold water, like buckets, flower pots, and vases. Outbreaks of dengue fever usually happen during the rainy season.
Individuals who may present with signs and symptoms of dengue fever, this may include fever, generalized body pain, muscle pain, pain to the back of the eyes.
Other symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, and generalized weakness. Medical Officer of Health for Manchester, Dr. Nadine Williams says, dengue fever can lead to serious complications like hemorrhagic disorders. Therefore, persons with symptoms of dengue fever should avoid certain medications that could predispose them to bleeding, and the person could die.
These medications are like your cataflam, Voltaren, aspirin, ibuprofen. And so if you're having symptoms suggestive of dengue fever at this time, it is best to avoid these medications for the pain and the fever and stick to the paracetamol or the Panadol to treat that. Drink a lot of fluids and rest as much as possible.
Dr. Williams says if the symptoms become severe, persons need to seek urgent medical attention.
Remember that with dengue fever, the period after the fever leaves, that 24-hour period is the critical period. So persons tend to feel that, okay, the fever has gone, that means I'm on the road to recovery. But that 24-hour period after the fever goes is actually a critical period where persons can either go into serious problems and become critical, or they can continue on to recover. So do not believe that because the fever has gone, I'm fine. Just remember, the fever has gone, watch the person in that next 24-hour period.
Meanwhile, Dr. Weir is calling on persons to look in and around their homes for potential breeding sites and destroy them.
Old receptacles that can hold water, overturn them, put holes, punch holes in them so that they do not accumulate water. For areas that we rely on storage of water, use a protective mesh over these drums. For water that is going to be consumed, a layer of cooking oil can be poured on these waters so that they do not encourage the breeding of these mosquitoes.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.
The health